gonna be a miracle.
Back at it, guys. I went on vacation. Not sure if it's come out or not, but D ended up heading to Kokomo. I think we'll probably go into that in a little bit more detail later, but basically just bad luck after bad luck after bad luck after bad luck. I just needed to step away and just kind of clear my mind and enjoy racing again. And so D got to go, had an incredible time. I'm sure you guys have already seen or will see the footage, and he absolutely loved it. So very excited that that was able to come about, even though it maybe came from some poor luck. Maybe is an understatement there. Either way, last time I went out, I went to Peevely and kind of knocked the front bumper, and it went from more of a point to a flat, and so I need to redo the front bumper because it won't fit the bumper as is. I'm going to need to end up reinforcing this front bumper a little bit better, but trying to make a race tomorrow after getting into from vacation this morning. So let me set you guys up and see if we can get some stuff done, and maybe I can get this to fit a little bit. I am not a welder. I am not a fab guy, so I'm going to do my very best. So my welder is acting up. Something with the wire is kind of going in and out, in and out. It's probably like 11 o'clock at this point, so I think I need to call it a night. But I got to get this bumper done right, like overall. It's probably equal on both sides now, but I need to get this bent in if I want to get the stock bumper to fit. Eventually I do need to do the main bumper that I have, but don't want to do that rushed. So we'll see what we can do for getting this done this way for tomorrow, and we will go from there. All right, well, got a different crew member with me tonight. Where are we going, Harper?
Track.
To the racetrack. I don't know if we're gonna make it though. I got off work late, and the front bumper still needs to be bolted or welded on, and there's like 28 cars at the track tonight. I don't know because it's so hot or something, but I still have to hook up the trailer. We're in a hurry. We're in a big hurry. Big hurry, right, Harper?
Yeah.
So Harper's gonna be my cameraman tonight. She's gonna record my races, right, Harp?
Yep.
And Harper, we feeling good about tonight?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good.
We got second place last time.
Got second place last time. We finished a race at Peevely. Overdrove the car pretty bad, but it was a bottom track, and I've never really seen Peevely like that, so that was different for me, and I really just overdrove the crap out of the car. So finished second, and yeah, so let's see if we can even make it to the races, make it to the heat race. Apparently they're going to run heat and feature before the race, or before intermission, so we'll see you guys there. Alrighty, pulling into Tri City Speedway. Still have work to do, just like every single time. Every time I come here, I give these fellas something to do. I think they're sick of me at this point.
Getting ready to go onto the track. So I think we're gonna get some good today. Working on this. 11 Salvage is doing good. Second place. We got second place last time. So maybe this time we can probably get first. He's been working super hard on this car. It's been doing some pretty bad ones and some pretty good ones. So yeah, let's see him on the track. So I just realized that this car he's been working on for a really long time. He got second place last time. And actually, I feel really good about this race. He got second place, so yeah. Well, it was last race, but I feel good about this, and I think we can get a win. So I feel like maybe we can, so I think this is going to be a good race because he got second place last time, and I think it's a really old car. He's been working on it for a while. He got second place. I have a feeling he's gonna get first. And I don't know the prize But it's funny, I want a new van, and he kind of does too. So I think if we win this race, this is going to be a miracle, because that car has never gotten first place here. So it might be a good one. So I'll see you on the track. Like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. We were a little bit late on this track. His team is about to go on. So right now they are fixing the car. So this is actually pretty good. So I think it's a good car. But the problem is there's like a lot of scrapes. This is me. This is the inside. Right now, it looks good. So yeah, I will see you on the track.
We got girl power here.
Yeah,
That's
always.
right. Harper, you excited to be at the racetrack?
Always.
This is your first time at the racetrack by yourself with me, right? Yeah. So,
Wait, no, what? Second time.
second time?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, Kelsey here is going to show her the ropes.
Yeah.
Show her the girls at the dirt track, right?
It's a fun time.
That's right.
It's a fun time.
Go on to the track. How do you feel about this race?
I'm feeling pretty good. I hope the car does all right.
I think you're gonna do pretty good, because last time you got second place.
All right, let's see how it goes, kiddo.
See you on the track.
My car. What's she doing in my car?
Mine is kind of.
Yeah, it does that with the fins. It'll be alright.
I thought I was running out of gas, but I don't really think that was the case.
So you led the first couple laps,
I think I led all of them, but like the last three, right?
and then you said the car felt like it was
Coming into the corner, it would be like,
breaking up.
just like almost, felt like it's dying. Like, I thought it was running out of gas.
Interesting.
Because when I would come settle back down and get about halfway down the straightaway, it would just like I'd literally waving so I could pull in,
Yeah.
and then he'd come back to life and
then
then
go.
just rip.
Yeah.
So I would just keep going, but almost after it did it once, it did it every lap. So
Yeah.
that's why Joey. I think he might have got around me anyway, but
Joey Laws won the heat race.
Yeah, he was ripping.
Yeah, he was ripping. I started the race, and my front bumper, like I said, my welds are not good, and we've got let me see if I can show you guys. You might not be able to see it, but there's just some bolts through the bumper just to kind of hold it on temporarily because I broke it peevely. Like I said, I got in here right there. I got in yesterday morning from driving throughout the night, and then I saw like 40 patients today, so I didn't have time to work on the car. But I wanted to get to the track because of my horrible welds and because it broke last time when I like tapped Frank. Actually, I didn't want to get into Frank at all, so I started a little bit farther back. I got under him a couple times. The car was pushing, and I could have got to his back bumper, but I didn't want to tap him and break the bumper and it like go under the car. I think I started 5th, finished 5th. So telling D, I think I'm in my head too much. The car's had so many issues all year that now I'm thinking about too many things instead of just driving and feeling. I'm not setting the car hard enough because I'm trying to be like too smooth and stay out of trouble because I don't want to get out there and wreck a car after it finally started running.
Did it run good?
It did run good. It didn't bust up. It did get on the chip, and like I said, I felt like I was just driving conservatively the whole time. Did you? Yeah. Yeah. So I think I'm starting pretty much right by Frank. I'm putting the bumper to Frank this time. You hear that, Frank? I hope you're watching the video. No, I had fun. I think I had fun. I like I said, I'm in my head too much. I'm gonna go out there for the feature, enjoy myself, set the car hard, have fun, and rip the lip. We'll see you guys after.
He's going in. Here we go, Jack Jack. Put it down. Hopefully he can get a better place this time.
Dude, when did it start? I was on your rear bumper. That was me.
I didn't kill you.
Oh, really? I was trying to be polite, but
I was trying to not run over Frank.
yeah.
Alright.
I will stall power, baby. Look, I've got a dim light. Oh, no, I don't. Is there any,
What happened?
I lost all power.
Oh.
You were in a decent place.
I was in a decent place, wasn't I? This car still won't drive off.
I
Like,
got
it just pushes
scared.
straight up the track.
I got
on the
scared
corner
because
wall.
there was no
It ain't battery.
I never look at
That sucks. Okay. All right, here with Joey Cheater Laws. Well, you know those guys have the middle nickname?
Yeah.
That should be yours. Joey the Cheater Laws. We're gonna put that on the hatchback over here. Hey, guess what? I broke. Yeah, hey, welcome to the club. D, what happened?
I thought I was running out of gas, but I really wasn't sure.
Your ID.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna need that.
Yeah,
Did you run out of gas?
I know. I mean, it's full. So
Okay.
We think
that
thing's fuel pump.
we think the fuel pump's bad in the 68, so they're gonna get that changed tomorrow. I was telling your dad that RS6 you just bought will have one.
That's what me and him
Just
talking
swap
about
it
when I got
straight
out
for
here.
it. So actually, the Civic might have one too. My voltage, the battery terminal was corroded.
Yeah.
It was working fine in the middle of the race. I don't know. Joey, not everybody. This is the one that everybody wants to hear from.
I don't know
The
why
winner
you
of the race. The winner of the race. How'd your race go? Started on the pole. I don't think you ever had anyone pressure you.
No, I don't think so. I don't know where anybody was. I didn't see anybody. Just
That's
got
a
to
good
the top,
thing.
got
That
to the
means-
top side and just
Take
let her
off.
eat. Yeah.
I wish we had like my race pass so we could see the times you were putting down.
Me too.
Did you feel fast?
Yes.
Yeah.
We probably had a little bit more. Just no reason to push it too far.
Well, I mean, why not? I mean, why would you? What's your next race?
Tomorrow night at Paragon, Indiana.
Oh,
2,500 to win.
there we go. We'll follow Joey along. Hopefully we can update you guys on the end of this video how he does tomorrow night.
Yeah, that's why we came here tonight. Is just to test
it.
to make sure we got the right gear and tire in the car.
I'm going to try to get a running car. He's going to try to go win Paragon. He's going to swap a fuel pump. We'll catch you guys next time.